Now I'll start with 2.1.4 Peculiar Behavior of Lithium. In many of its properties, lithium is quite different from the other alkali metals. This behavior is not usual because the first member of each main group of the periodic table shows marked deviation from the regular tens of the group as a whole. The deviation showed by lithium can be explained on the basis of its small radius and high charge density. The nuclear charge of Li positive ion is screened only by a shell of 2 electrons. The so-called anomalous properties of lithium are due to the fact that lithium is unexpectedly far less electropositive than sodium. Some of the more important differences of lithium from the other alkali metals are listed below. Number 1, lithium is much harder and lighter than the other alkali metals. Number 2, the lithium salts of anions with high charge density are generally less soluble in water than those of other alkali metals. For example, lithium hydroxide, lithium fluoride, lithium phosphate, and lithium carbonate. Number 3, lithium forms stable complex compounds, although complex formation generally is not a property of alkali metals. Lithium reacts very slowly with water while other alkali metals react violently. One of the stable complexes formed by lithium is lithium ammonia. ammonia. Lithium ammonium. Number 5, lithium salts of large polarizable anions are less stable than those of other alkali metals. Unlike other alkali metals, lithium does not form bicarbonate, triiodide, or hydrogen sulfide at room temperature. Number 6, when burnt with in air, lithium forms only normal oxide, whereas the other forms peroxides or superoxides. Number 7, lithium hydride is more stable than the hydrides of other alkali metals. Number 8, lithium compounds are more covalent, that is why its halides are more soluble in other solvents, and the alkyls and aryls of lithium are more stable than those of other alkali metals. Number 9, lithium is least reactive metal of all the alkali metals. Number 10, when acetylene is passed over strongly heated lithium, it does not produce lithium acetylide, but other alkali metals form the corresponding metallic acetylides, like the sodium acetylide. Lithium has a low electropositive character, thus its carbonate and nitrate are not so stable and therefore decompose, giving lithium oxide. Carbonates of other alkali metals do not decompose. Decomposition of lithium nitrate gives different products than the nitrates of other alkali metals. Li2CO3, Li2O plus CO2, 4LiNO3, 2Li2O plus 4NO2 plus O2, 2NaNO3 gives us 2NaNO2 plus O2. 12. Lithium hydroxide when strongly heated forms lithium oxide, but the other alkali metal hydroxides do not show this behavior. 2LiO2 red hot when turns into Li2O plus H2O. Lithium reacts with nitrogen to form nitride, while the other members of the group do not give this reaction. 6Li plus N2 gives us 2Li3N. Number 14, lithium chloride has an exothermic heat of solution, whereas chlorides of sodium and potassium have endothermic heats of solution. Lithium carbide is the only alkali metal carbide formed readily by the direct reaction.